Oh, where's my finger? We're going there tomorrow. Fully X mode is on.
Oh, look at this.
Whoa. Oh. First water break.
Where are we pointing?
We're gonna climb up there. Oh, my finger. Up there. Do you see anybody? Nah. Just do that much. This is my first attempt at... So windy. Gonna go up the chute.
Video or?
I've been doing both, whichever looks better. Depending on...
Hi, really?
You're just like in this like valley. Me and Twin outside. Any thoughts? Prayers? I don't know how I'm gonna get up here. I'm gonna be really honest with you. Peak, peak, and is this a peak?
No. I'm actually not sure.
There's probably another one over there that we can't see. This is where we entered from. Right there, so we don't forget. By this yellow shrub. Yeah, but specifically that path so we don't forget. Oh my god, you looked like you almost fell off. I think I remember how I got up here.
I don't know how you're gonna do it.
Well, you just do what you need to do.
Okay.
I'll figure it out. My toe?
Yeah.
I got it. Did you face backwards?
Yeah, it was kind of scary.
I shouldn't face backwards?
I don't know if you need to.
With raisins in my hand.